Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. So I am here at a project in Mission Viejo designed by me and installed by Greenside Landscaping. And I want to show you what this project looks like because it's a really cool mixture of different materials. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, maybe a bit of art, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. All right, so this parkway alongside the other parkway is not irrigated. In here we just have a fescue, some rocks, mulched using decomposed granite. The idea behind this parkway is minimal planting, so if you're parking your car, you don't have to hit any plants. These were left over from when the homeowner did their driveway a year and a half ago that we repurposed here in 3 different spots. So as you're getting out of your car, you can comfortably do so. The rest of the project also utilizes some decomposed granite with mulch and a really beautiful dry riverbed. In this section, all the larger plants belong to the neighbors. We cleaned them up a bit just because they were slightly overgrown, but what we did add here is some seaside daisy, some Hesperaloe parviflora red yucca, some siskiyou blue fescue, and then on this side we have pretty much the same plant palette, except we also added some autumn sage, which is small now, but we'll get about 3 feet by 3 feet. We also added some artichoke agave, 6 to be specific, that the homeowner had in pots in their backyard, so we figured why not reuse them. More red yucca, some aeoniums and various other small succulents that the homeowner also had existing. And then back there in the planter that's mulched with decomposed granite, we have an Arbutus marina behind the rock surrounded by the fescue. We have 2 sticks on fire and 2 heavenly bamboo, which is the Nandina domestica, and 4 of the 6 artichoke agave. And then here we have 4 flax, the New Zealand flax that was existing in pots in the homeowner's backyard. They wanted to reuse it, so we put it back here. And then of course we have the stunning dry riverbed. Now the dry riverbed is U-shaped because over here there is a gutter, and behind this vinyl fence there is also a gutter, so we can mitigate the water from both sides. This was definitely a fun project to work on. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Eventually we will get a hollowed out rock to cover the valves, which are currently visible, eventually in the future. This project was also part of the Municipal Water District Turf Rebate Program. I will have a link to the Water District website if you do live in Orange County and you'd like to participate. And specifically for this project and all of the Municipal Water District projects, there is a $1,000 design rebate. So of the fee that I charged the client to design this project, $1,000 of it was covered by the rebate. And they also got $3 a square foot for every square foot of grass they removed.